In this video, I'm going to talk about making a break in a drawing. Now, when you'd want a break in a drawing, it might be because you have something long, like this part I designed, and it takes up a lot of room in the drawing space, especially in this direction, where your dimensions might get cluttered up against, the page border or against your other views. So, if you have if your drawing shows a lot of redundant parts here, like for example, there's this whole length where you have uniform, details or whatever, or maybe no details at all. It's just a boring length of whatever. You can see that over here too. You can break it up and make the drawing a little smaller. So I'll show you how to do that. What you want to do is you go up here and click on where it says break view, just like that. And first you need to select your drawing view. I want to select this view. That's why I want to break up. Then it gives you a start point for your break. So I want to start my break, I think right there is fine. And where I want to end the break, I'll end it right there. Then it has a gap measurement here. I think this is in millimeters because my drawing's in millimeters. So basically when it breaks the drawing up right at these two places, it's going to have a blank gap of 6 millimeters. I'm going to leave that as is. I don't think we need to change that, and I'll click OK. And there you go. It breaks up it actually makes my drawing smaller, and we don't lose anything out of it because the dimension here, everything here is uniform between the break. I think that's the best way to apply breaks, is when you have stuff that's uniform, especially if it's getting shown elsewhere, like in another view, like over here. This is a good way to shorten things up and reduce clutter in your drawing. So I'm going to move this up here. Notice all my dimensions move. And another nice thing about breaks is that if you want to do something like a section view, you can, the break will also go along with the section view. So I'll just demonstrate that here quick. Yeah, and well, it doesn't show it right now in the preview, but once I set the section view, there it goes. It shows, hey, there's a break right there. Let's make the section view smaller to match the view that it's projected from. So, yeah, I feel like this is a really great thing to do. Like I said, if you have a lot of redundant stuff that's making your drawing unnecessarily big, you can condense it down with a break and get some of your room back on your blueprint. That way everything's less cluttered, and you're still conveying the same information otherwise. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. Also, post any questions you have in the comments and I may answer them in another video. And remember, anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. So keep learning, keep designing, keep making, and be proud of your work.